The residents of Burke wasted no time getting back on their feet. Within days, the town started working on rebuilding key structures, including the school.
We had to recover like 5 classroom spaces from the part that got destroyed, and so we were able to rebuild new about 3 classroom spaces, like within the library and some other places in the high school.
Those classrooms now ready to house students when school begins next week.
I think once kids get back here and get back to school, kids are going to be pleasantly surprised with really how normal things are going to be.
The space where the Burke Building Center once stood remains empty since being swept to the ground by the tornado.
We're hoping they'll be up and running here fairly soon. You know, that's a big part of our community.
The damage done to the Civic Center was so severe, it has since been stripped to its core structure.
Our Civic Center, when it was built, was around $600,000, and obviously not the whole thing was destroyed, but a good portion of it, and I'm thinking it's well over $500,000.
The plans for important buildings like these that the city relies on are currently in analysis stage.
Looking to the future, we've got a little more time, a few more months on some of the structures that need more extensive work, and we just have to really go through that assessment process and find out what the community wants.
Though the damage is severe, the town can agree on one thing: they're Burke strong.
Midwest, small town, we're really resilient. We're really good at helping each other out. Some of the people who lost their homes went to work right away the next day helping other people clean up, and so just people really pulled together. We just feel like as a community we're going to come back better than ever.
And surrounding communities haven't hesitated to lend a helping hand.
We may be rivals on the basketball court or the football field, but when it comes to life, we're there to help each other out.
In Burke, Jenna Lemaire, KDLT News.